We are about to this POV drive started. And
is there any possible that you help me out?
I don't need no fucking friends, feel like TJ. Pray for my tens, I know this life shit ain't easy. How you stepping but you high, something ain't right. How to see.
alright guys. We are about to get this POV drive started. And
Is there any possible that you help me out? I'm trying to get towards Dixie and on my phone or anything. Is there any way you can help me out?
I'm about to just do this little video.
Okay.
Alright, sorry about that though. Alright. I'm beating. I know you guys are probably thinking, what the fuck is a Tesla doing at the gas station? I just wanted to come clean the windshield off and then we'll get this drive started. I never used one of these before, so you guys bear with me, man. I think it's supposed to. Okay, real know what he's doing now. It's not as hard as I thought it was. Hey man, y'all like, comment, subscribe, man. Y'all see what I'm doing so you guys get a clear view, man. What if I just stole this? Man, let's get this POV drive started, man. And we can also just do this one time. This is gonna be a fun POV drive. Alright guys, we do have some free rolls, so I'm gonna hit quick 0 to 60. 1, 2, 3. Oh man, this thing almost knocked the GoPro off my head. That was a pretty fast takeoff. I was not expecting that. Give you guys a quick POV drive today. This thing picks up the speed so fast, it's crazy. Now guys, this is the first Tesla on the page, and one thing I could say about this Tesla is I love how we have this screen right here and it shows us the lanes, the cars that's next to us, what if the light is red or green, and we also do get your speed limit up top, and we do have your miles per hour in that top left corner. The only bummer I could say about this Tesla I don't like is everything is controlled within this screen right here in front of you. So if you want to change your side mirrors to the steering wheel to the driving mode, everything, you have to do everything through this screen right here. I want to get a takeoff for you guys right here. Tempted, and just like that we passed 60 miles per hour in literally probably 2 to 3 seconds, guys. Now keep in mind that this is the performance, so this performance model does have over 400 horsepower, which is insane for an electric car. There we go. Alright guys, let's get on the highway so I can give you guys some higher speed action, and then we will be ending this POV drive. Like I said, I just want to do a quick little video for you guys because I will be doing another one on this Tesla Model 3, so you guys stay tuned for that as well. I'm not sure which one I will be dropping first, but if you guys can, stay tuned for both videos. feet so quick. There goes another Tesla in front of us. Looks like the Tesla. It could be the Model Y. He has that dual motor as well. One way, if you guys could tell if the Tesla is a long range or performance. Now, both of them do say dual motor in the rear, but the long range only says dual motor in the back. That's it, nothing else, nothing less. And then we have the performance, which the one we're in. It says dual motor and it has a red line under it. So that's how you guys can tell the difference between the long range and the performance. It's that red line under the word dual motor. Just a little fun fact for you guys. Have a little bit of day room right here. Trying to give you guys some more action before this video ends. And guys, right now we are about 80% charged on this Model 3, and with this thing fully charged, you guys can get about 322 miles of range. But this thing is just a different type of beast. This thing gets off its feet quicker. We do have all-wheel drive in this one. Like I said, over 400 horsepower, over 300 pound-feet of torque. This thing just goes. State trooper ahead of us, so we don't want to play no games with him. All right, guys. Traffic is kind of picking up. It is 12 in the afternoon, so this POV drive is coming to an end. I just want to give you guys some time on the highway as well. But before this video ends, I do want to show you guys some more features in this infotainment system, or the screen in front of us, whichever you like to call it. So I am about to pull over and make a quick stop to show you the last couple things inside of this infotainment system. Porsche better stay on his side. Let's pull into this gas station. Alright guys, that's the end of today's video. You guys should do me a favor, like, comment, subscribe, and we going, man.
You regular little bitch, I'm gaggling 93 Supreme. Yeah, nigga, we were pushing P before it was a thing. Go get up in about my bag and stand on everything. Ain't never pressed about no bitch shit, I'ma let her in.